This is my first time trying press-ons as an adult. What's up, my gems? It's your girl, Nada Gem. What's up, my gems? It's your girl, Nada. What's up, my gems? It's your girl, Nada Gem. What's up, my gems? It's your girl, Nada Gem. What's up, my gems? It's your girl, Nada Gem. What's up, my gems? It's your girl, Nada Gem. And I'm back with another video, y'all. Oh my gosh. Y'all see that title? Y'all see we still in quarantine. Y'all see they still ain't open the nail shops. Y'all see we still have to go through this. Y'all see we keep ordering stuff online. So like, and y'all see my nubs. And look, y'all see this finger right here? This is still the stain from me dyeing my hair black. So, you know how stressful that is? Y'all know how stressful? It's very stressful. But yes, you guys, I got some press-ons that I'm about to apply to my nails right now until I can get my nails done, I guess. I mean, I don't know. Until I can do that, I'm gonna apply these press-ons that I got from Let's Look. Oh, I'm saying that wrong. No, I'm not. Les Looks. Beyonce. Lay Lukes. I think I said it right. That's what I had to do to know how to pronounce that type of E. But yes, hold on, wait, let me show y'all the brand that I got this from. This is not no advertisement or none of that, but I got it from them, you guys. I ordered 2 of these little packs. One of them is a white and one of them is a chrome pair. I'm just gonna apply the white ones, y'all. Welcome to Gem Nails. What color? I'm gonna do white today. Oh, that was so peaceful. Shout out to them for a little, you know, easy rip off. I really like these nails because they give you a whole bunch of different sizes. Like, I feel like I should put these on my toes. But they give you a whole bunch of different sizes, so just in case your nails is a little smaller than the other ones, whatever. So let me just show y'all. There we go. That's so lit. I like that. I got my utensils here. I got my glue. Unfortunately, I usually use KDS glue when I be trying to glue anything on because that's some of the best type of glue. I didn't want to order any because they only was selling like hella bundles, and I usually get my nails done, so it's like, let me not do that. And I was gonna order it off this site, but they were sold out at the time, unfortunately. They sent me this cute little filer and this thing to push down my cuticles so that I could be able to get the nail on her to make it look realistic, you know, make it look real poppington. And I also got filers just in case I want to adjust the shape or anything. Y'all, these right here are yours truly, quarantine at home, do it yourself, acrylic press-on nails, if you know what I mean. All right, so let's get down to business. Let's get down to business and defeat the Hunt. I'm about to watch Mulan as soon as I'm done with that. Mulan has to be one of the best Disney movies ever, and I actually can't wait for the live action film to come out because I'm going to go see it, and that's on me, period. All right, so at this exact moment right here, what I'm gonna do is basically just, you know, clean up my nails because they look really a little crusty if you want to look at them up close, to be honest. So I'm just gonna push down them cuticles and get it together, you know. I also got my fingernail clippers too, so I'm about to be cleaning that all up, and I'm just about to show you what's going on. So don't forget to keep staying tuned. Do not leave. If you leave, I don't believe in you. I'm just kidding. Don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and go ahead and drop hella comments down below because I mess with y'all, and I hope y'all mess with me too. So I got my fingernail clippers now here, and I'm just gonna basically start down by pushing that, you know, extra skin down and making sure I got, you know, a nice little clean nail bed going on. So here goes my little, you know, push down. And as y'all see that really quick. Y'all seen how I did it. And you know, you just want to make sure you're being pretty courteous of your nail bed so you're not harming them. So after I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, make this a little bit duller so I can get a better sticky effect, if you know what I mean, because it's really shiny. So I'm just gonna take in, you know, make it a little crusty, if you know what I mean. Everybody knows what the crusty look looks like because they do it to you at the nail shop and they be having you look a little like you need some lotion or whatever. Okay, now that I've pushed my cuticles down and all of that, you guys, I'm basically just gonna take and make sure the sizing is right. I've already verified with these. I got my middle finger and my thumb ready. So I'm now looking for which one's going to fit. And I think, oops, I think I like the way that one fits. And I always say that you don't want to do it too big. Do not let it be too big because then it's gonna look a little crazy. So yeah, I ain't saying a voiceover. If you thought this was a voiceover, girl, please. Or boy, please, whoever is watching. Make sure you like it, the video. Like it this. Like it this, the video. Like it that motherfucker now. Woo, that's way too big. Ooh. So as you can see, I got all 10 nails ready. Just gonna go back in and dull it up a little bit more. I don't want to mess with my nails too much though because I am getting them done very soon. This is just, I'm probably gonna have these press on going for about a week, hopefully. I do have my filer just in case I have some disagreements with the shape. I feel like I'm done showing y'all because I feel so boring to me. Like, I feel like when I just sit there and show my hands, that's boring. Y'all want to see me. That's why the hell you're subscribed, right? For me. Or for you. Oh, that was weird. I hope this don't irritate people. Just get that shape a little more popping. I'm literally not gonna knock off too much because I don't want it to be like too much of a difference, you know what I mean? This is my first time trying press-ons as an adult. Yay! Clap it up! It's an accomplishment. It's an accomplishment. It's an accomplishment. Why am I struggling to say that? It's not cute or whatever. I mean, but it can be if y'all want it to be. If y'all thought it was cute, I can make it cute. All right, let me stop playing. So back to my hands. All right, I got my glue. Shoot, I always want you to. They always be making stuff like this so extra to open, but I guess it's for the kids, right? Watch out for them kids, y'all. All right, I'm just gonna simply, you know, put that down. I'm just trying to make sure it's gonna stick for, you know, like a little week or so. And yes, ma'am, we gonna take it and we gonna place it. Period. My goal is to make sure that they're not lopsided because I'm so OCD, y'all. So far, oh my gosh, I got nails. Hey, first of all, I got my nails back on and it's been a good, ooh, shoot, it's been like a good month since I had my nails done. But anyways, y'all, I got my press-ons on, and so here's a little up close look. They look very natural. That's why I like Lay Lux Beauty. That's why I really like the nails. I've been wanting to shop with them for a very long time, but I constantly got to get my nails done, and I feel like quarantine was the perfect time. One of my fucking fingers is lopsided. I messed up. That's my fault. By the time I got ready to take it off, it was too late, y'all. So please don't talk about me. Y'all, I got to go ahead and, you know, clean them up with the shape now that they're glued on. Hopefully 100%. So I'm just gonna make sure the shape is popping how I want it. But of course, before you do this, make sure your nails is dry. Y'all see that? Yes, yes. Ooh, I'll be back with the final results, little bitch. I'll be back. So stay right there, don't you move. And you better subscribe, and you better hit that bell, and you better come back, and you better fuck with me because I fuck with you. And if they said I didn't mess with you, they lied to you. Don't let them people lie to you because they don't even know me. But they really know you. Right? Gotta make sure I get all the dust off. Y'all, my quarantine nails is done, and ooh. Oh. can for that sound. Ooh, shoot, almost fell off the chair. Bitch, I'm back. Who? Oh, it's exactly what I thought. Y'all, ooh, y'all about to see some fire pics on Instagram. Y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed my quick little at home do it yourself, because sometimes you have to do it yourself. Somebody else can't do it for you all the time. So do it yourself at home. Press on quarantine nails. Really quick video. I hope y'all enjoyed this. This was not an ad for Lay Looks, but y'all should definitely shop with them because they have some really great quality press on nails and they will definitely look fire on you. I'm actually going to pass these to my cousin because I'm going to get my nails done. So I appreciate y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell. I appreciate y'all. Have an amazing day. Stay great. Stay positive. Stay considerate, you know. Be real. Be true to yourself. Grow. Yes. We out of here. We out.